Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall or disable Edge in Windows 11, then please watch this video. There's no legit way to uninstall Edge. The only way to do it is through a third-party uninstaller like Revo uninstaller. Okay, I do not advise this one. This may lead to problems, but since a lot of people wish to uninstall it, even though it is absolutely unnecessary, I will guide you through it. So use the free download option. Click on open. Click on OK. I accept the agreement. Next, 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 and install. And this will install the Rev1 installer and then click on finish. Okay. And then you will have to find Edge, right click on it and select uninstall. Okay. It may cause Windows features and other software not to work properly, but you can still click on continue to uninstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.